So continuity and differentiability chapter here. So we have discussed what is the definition of the continuity. So can anyone tell me what is the definition of the continuity? How do you define the continuity? Simple. If f is a real function and a subset of real numbers, C is a point in its domain. If you consider C is a point in its domain and limit extends to C, f of x should be is equals to f of c. Then we call it as a that function is continuous. And we have learned the algebra of the continuity of the functions also. Now let us going to start the exercise 5.1. Okay. So in this exercise 5.1, first problem is very simple. Let us move to the second problem. You may be a little bit difficult and let us discuss this question. So examine the continuity of the function f of x is equals to 2x square minus 1 at x is equals to 3. So the given function is at x equals to 3, we need to find out the limit. So first you find out what is f of 3. F of 3 is nothing but 2 into 3 square minus 1. 18 minus 1 is equals to 17. This is very simple here. Limit extends to 3. At 3 we need to find out the limit extends to 3 f of x. So limit extends to 3 f of x is nothing but 2x square minus 1. As it is a polynomial function, directly you need to substitute the value of the 3 only there. Actually the meaning is what here? Substituting none. When x is approaching number 3, then what is a 2x square minus 1 will become as a which number? So that is the thing here. It is going to get 3 square 9. Sorry. 3 square 9, 9 to 18, 18 minus 7. So we are going to get, therefore, limit extends to 3, f of x is equals to f of 3. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equals to 3. So coming to the next problem, third problem, different questions are given to you with the different model of the questions are given to you. That let us discuss now. Here continuity will be the different whenever you see these problems. Problem number 3, the first question is given to you x minus 5. That is very simple, directly you can do. The second question, whenever you see that f of x is equals to 1 by x minus 5, x is not equals to 5. Examine the following functions continuity. Means whether the following these functions, given functions are continuous or not, you need to check it. So continuous, they are continuous or not, how do you check? If it is continuous, it should be continuous at every point. At every point. So for any real number you take in the domain, let C is any real number in the domain of f of x. So C compulsory should not be equals to 5. Other than the 5, any real number can be taken into consideration. Isn't it? Other than that. So what do we get here in this situation? F of C value. So 1 by C minus 5. So limit extends to C f of x value. So limit extends to C f of x means 1 by x minus 5. So 1 by C minus 5. So both are equal. So you can say that here limit extends to C f of x is equals to f of C. C should not be equals to 5. C should not be is equals to 5 here. So now here you can say that therefore f is continuous. Continuous at every point in its domain. in its domain, it is continuous at every point. Therefore, when it is f is continuous function, we call it as a continuous function. We call it as a continuous function. Now coming to the next problem is something different here. It is given to you. The function is given x square minus 25 by x plus 5. X square minus 25 by x plus 5 is given to you. As even that question also you can solve it in a proper way. Fourth one is little bit different here when you compare it. Third problem in this is the given function is x square minus 25 by x plus 5. Okay. And here x compulsory should not be is equals to minus 5. That is nothing but what is the domain of this function? Can anyone say that what is the domain of this function? All the real numbers, set of the real numbers except the minus 5. All the real numbers except in this domain, you need to consider the one variable. Means one point should be taken into consideration. So let C belongs to the domain. That is R minus, if you want to mention, you can mention. Then f of C is what? F of C. C square minus 25 by C should not be equals to C plus 5. So this can be written as C plus 5 into C minus 5 by C plus 5. C plus 5, C plus 5 will get cancelled. We are going to get C minus 5. Even when you go for the limit extends to C, f of x is also limit extends to C, f of x. F of x value x square minus 25 by x plus 5. When you substitute here also C directly you are not supposed to substitute. इसको simplify करना है first. So how do you simplify it? Limit x tends to C x plus 5 into x minus 5 by x plus 5. X plus 5 will get cancelled. Then what do you get here? Limit x tends to x minus 5. So that is can be written as C minus 5. So limit x tends to f of x is C minus 5. F of C is also C minus 5. Therefore, you can say that limit x tends to C, f of x is equals to f of C. Therefore, f is continuous at every point in its domain. Therefore, f is continuous function. It is called a continuous function. Now, the problem is here only the next D problem here, the fourth problem. So the question is given modulus of x minus 5. It is given to you the modulus x minus 5. So how do you solve this modulus x minus 5? First modulus function you need to know in this the given function is f of x is equals to mod x minus 5. How do you rewrite the mod x minus 5? The function, this can be written as x minus 5 as it is if x is greater than or equals to x 5 minus x if x is less than 5. The modulus function definition is itself right now. Minus should be multiplied if the value is negative. Okay, so this function is defined on all the points of real numbers. So domain of this function is real numbers, set of the real numbers. So C should be the point, any point on the line. So C may be is less than 5, C may be is equals to 5, C may be greater than 5. Okay. So here 3 cases will be there. So let C belongs to the real numbers, that is domain of the f of x. So there will be a 3 cases. Case 1, will be c less than 5 हो सकता है. Next, case 2, c is equals to 5 हो सकता है. Case 3, c value should be greater than 5 भी हो सकता है. While here we need to take at every place the function behaves different way. So in this situation, that means less than 5 means the values of the 5 less than 5 means what function should be taken into consider. F of c क्या होगा? Less than 5 है ना? So 5 minus x should be taken. 5 minus c, f of c value. So what is limit x tends to c f of x? Limit x tends to c f of x means c value is less than 5. Less than 5 means the function should be taken as 5 minus x. So when you take it as a 5 minus x, automatically we will get 5 minus. Isn't it? Did you understand here? The what you get here? Therefore, limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. Okay. Now here, why do we take like this, sir? Here the function is splitting function at particular point 5. That's why c less than 5, c is equals to 5, c greater than 5. All the three cases should be taken into consider. C is equals to 5 means we are going to take directly limit cannot be found out here. C is equals to 5 whenever it is given. What to do here in this situation? Left hand limit and right hand limit both should be we have to find. Where the function is splitting, at what point it is splitting, that point left hand limit and right hand limit will be different. Why? Because left hand limit and right hand limit means, what is the meaning here? Let us consider this is a real number 5. And here 5 is there. 5 का left side बोला, less than 5 बोला, less than 5 बोले तो here it is 4 we are going to do. Left hand limit of the this one means here. Right hand limit of the this one means here. In both the situation, the function is this one only, less than 5. But when it is equals to 5, exactly 5, left side of the 5 means left hand limit. The function changes. Right side of the limit means that the function also changes. Because right side of the 5 means, that's why we need to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit in case of exactly c is equals to 5 whenever you are taking. So what is c is equals to 5 if you are taking f of c is equals to, this function should be taken x minus 5, c minus 5. C value already 5, 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Now here you find out left hand limit. Limit x tends to 5 I am taking directly here. 5 minus f of x. 5 minus f of x is nothing but limit x tends to 5 minus left side of the 5. What is the meaning of this one? When x is approaching to the 5 from the left side towards the 5. ये इधर से अप्रोच हो रहे, इधर से स्टार्ट हो गया, इधर से यार इधर से भी स्टार्ट हो, इधर से इधर तक आ रहे, like this. Then what is the function value? How the function value will be? The function value reaches to the what means, so the 5 minus means less than 5 wala function should be taken, 5 minus x. Now here minus 5 should not be substituted. Most of the students will do that mistake. 5 only should be substituted. So 5 minus 5, which is equals to 0. Left hand limit is 0. And right hand limit, let us check. Limit x tends to 5 plus f of x. So which is equals to limit x tends to 5 plus f of x is nothing but 5 का right side positive, 5 के greater than. So x minus 5 should be taken. In this situation also x place में 5 substitute करना. 5 minus 5. So both are equal. Left hand limit, right hand limit are equal, and they are equals to the f of c. So limit x tends to 5, f of x is equals to f of 5. If these two are not equal, limit does not exist. If these two are equal and it is not equals to f of c, then continue, it is not continuous. So therefore here it is f is continuous. So right hand side you can do greater than means f of c, greater than 5 means directly h minus 5 should be taken. So c minus 5 you will get. Limit extends to c f of x. Sir, you may get doubt again and again, sir, here why don't you take c minus, why don't you take c plus? See here, 5 ka greater than value we are taking, means you may take 6, you may take 7. Yes, 7 ka left side function and right side function is same. Function is not changing, na? That's why left hand limit and right hand limit should not be taken into consideration. So limit extends to c x minus 1. So which is equals to c minus 5. So limit extends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. Okay. Therefore, f is continuous. Now, f is continuous at all the points, every real number, whatever the real number you are taking, it is continuous. Therefore, you can say that it is continuous function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The only thing is that when the function is given to you, the split function, the modulus function is already a split function. It is directly not given to you, but it is a split function. So next question is given to you. Fourth question is very simple here. Prove that the function f of x is equals to x to the power of n is continuous at x equals to 1. So what is the question given here? F of x is equals to x to the power of n. It is continuous for any value of the n. Continuous at x is equals to n. At x is equals to n. So what do you get here? F of x value. F of n value should be found out. N to the power of n. Limit extends to n f of x. So that is also limit extends to n x to the power of n, which is equals to n to the power of n. Both the cases n to the power of n. Simple question here. It is nothing to do here in this. Limit extends to n f of x is equals to f of n. Therefore, it is continuous at n. Fifth question is a little bit different. Let us discuss that question. Okay. Is the function f of x is equals to x if x is less than or equals to 1? It is equals to 5 if x is greater than 1. So this is a split function. It is you have to check the continuation of the continuity of the function at x is equals to 0 का placement check करना है, x is equals to 1 का placement, x is equals to 2 का placement. These three places you need to check. And you see here this is a split function at 1. 1 का placement split function. At x equal to 0 check करना है. So at x same like a previous, at x equal to 0, f of 0 value what? 0 is less than 1. So therefore, as it is should be taken. Limit extends to 0 f of x. So limit extends to 0 x. F of x is equals to x when x is 0. So therefore, this is also equals to 0. Yes. Therefore, you can say limit simple. It looks like a limit f of x is equals to f of 0. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equals to 0. Now the problem comes here, x equal to 1. 1 का place में split हो गया. So we need to find out here in this situation left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit and right hand limit separately you need to find out. Because it is a split function at 1. Because 1 का left side में function अलग है, 1 का right side में function अलग है. 0 का लेफ्ट साइड में 0 का राइट साइड में फंक्शन डिफरेंट नहीं है, सेम फंक्शन. So that's why it is not essential to you to take. Okay. So what you get here in this situation, f of 1 should be taken is equals to 1 itself. Now limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to 1 minus 1 की left side में, so x itself. So here we are going to get 1. Right hand limit find out. Right hand limit, what do we get here at x is equals to 1? Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x value 1 से greater than बोले तो 5 है. So as it is a constant function, ये दोनों equal नहीं है. As these two are equal, limit only does not exist. Therefore, you can say that limit x tends to 1 f of x only does not exist actually, and this is not existing, and that is not equals to f of 1 को equal नहीं. Okay, so actually it is not necessary to you to write here these two only not equal. 1 minus limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, these two only not equal. In case if they are equal also, some cases में क्या होता है, ये दोनों equal होता है, but it is not equals to this one. In that case limit exist होगा but continuous नहीं है. In this situation limit only does not exist. If limit is not existing, it is not continuous. Therefore f of x is not continuous at x is equals to 1. Next, at x is equals to 2. 2 same as it is like this. No need of left hand, right hand. 2 बोले तो 5 आएगा. F of 2. F of 2 is 5. Limit x tends to 2. F of 2 is also 5. Isn't it? समझ में आया? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Sixth problem, see here. Sixth problem also just like fourth problem. I think so. Yes. Here the question is given to you. F of x is equals to 2x plus 3. If x is less than or equals to 2x minus 3. If x is greater than 3. And asking you to find out the points of discontinuity. Where it is discontinuous. At what points it is discontinuous. Mostly here, whenever you see that it will be discontinuous, continuity should be checked when it is equals to 2, because 2 का place में split होगा. 2 का left side check करना है, 2 का right side check करना है. Any real number you consider c. c less than 2 consider करो, c is equals to 2 consider करो, c greater than 2 consider करो. c less than 2 में ये आएगा function, it is continuous. c greater than 2 में ये आएगा function, it is continuous. C is equals to 2 means let us check. That part you can do now, first and last part, just like a previous problem. C is equals to 2 में we need to say f of 2 find out करना है. Is equals to 2. 2 इधर substitute करना. So what you will get 2 into 2 plus 3 which is equals to 4 plus 3 which is equals to 7. Now we need to check limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. 2 minus is nothing but not minus 2. 2 only, but left side of 2. But left side of 2. Left side of 2 is nothing but left side of 2. This is the function. So 2 minus the function becomes 2x plus 3. Then the function is 2 should be substituted. 2 to the 4, which is equals to 7 again. But right hand limit whenever you take x tends to 2 plus f of x. In some cases we are going to get left hand limit, right hand limit equal. But here let us see. What do we get? We will not get equal. 2x minus 3 function. So what do you have to get? 2 into 2 minus 3 which is equals to 1. ये दोनों equal नहीं है. Therefore it is discontinuous at x equals to 2. Remaining places में it is continuous होगा. Okay. So from the 7th problem onwards, the problems are little bit difficult problems. Till now, all the problems, whatever we have discussed, is very simple and easy problems only. The difficult problems will be there from the little bit difficult problems from the 7th. We'll discuss in the next class. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Little bit. Now it got blurred, sir.
Huh?
So it is visible, sir. Now it is not
Okay.
visible.
Something happened. It's became black. Okay, you can